Good morning, guys. It's 7 o'clock already. Just now I get out of the bed. I was awake earlier, but just now I get off the bed. Oh, nice outside. Yeah, it was really windy last night and it's very cold. I was already in my bed and I put another layer of sweater. It's 12 degrees. Making a coffee. I don't have any more, but yeah, it's okay. It will give color. I'm just going to mix it with some tea. I'm going to the grocery later. So yeah, it's going to be this tea, the normal sugar. The rice is not yet ready. Yeah. Shower me with your love. Shower me with your love. 12 o'clock. I'm preparing my lunch. It's pasta. I have this pasta ready. I'll just strain and will be ready. And I am making a sauce. This is bacon. Ooh. Basically, I'm just cooking it and then I'm going to add some cream. I want the bacon to be toasted, very much toasted. You know, the memory card, this memory card is not good. Yeah, not good, this memory card. It is going to switch off by itself. Because the memory card is the very old one. 16 GB. It is now 15 minutes to 3 o'clock. Outside is really windy. Also the temperature today is really cold. It's 17 degrees centigrade. And I saw in the news that there is already snow in the high part of Australia. Still super windy outside. We're going to cook another snacks. Yeah, I have been eating just eating. I have this, if you remember this is the bread, the flat bread that I made. Yes, we're going to put a little bit of margarine in here. So yeah, this is the flat bread. I made it 2 days ago. As you can see, still you just need to make it flat, more flat, and put it here. I just keep it until it's cooked and flip it and cut it. Put some parmesan or butter or cheese and will be good. Oh, hot. Oh, that's alright, still okay. Good morning, guys. Yeah, 7:10. I'm going to make my breakfast. I took this out yesterday. This is the chicken leftover coming from the freezer. Okay, so I don't know what I am doing, but I already cut here this some garlic, carrots, onion, and this chicken I'm going to chop. Taran tan tan tan. Oh, we're going to put some egg. Just one. Okay, we actually break that egg. What else I should put here? Nothing. Good, but not the best. This will be my breakfast. It is now almost 8 o'clock. Look at that. Yeah, if you see something like that unorganized, you will be feeling lazy to wash. But we need to do it because we're alone here. I'm going to have this maybe tonight or tomorrow.